Hey guys, if you want Shoom AI to use your own voice in a song, this is how voice mode works. First, open Shoom AI and go to the song creation section. Instead of choosing AI vocals, look for the option called Your Voice. This is where you add your own audio. Next, record your voice directly in the app for around 30 seconds or upload a short audio file. Make sure the file is clear and not too large. After that, Shoom AI will train using your voice. This step helps the AI understand how you sound so it can use your voice in songs. Once training is done, choose a music style, genre, or mood. Shoom AI will then create a full song using your voice. Preview the result, and if you like it, save or export it. If not, you can re-record or try a different style. For best results, record in a quiet place and speak or sing clearly. That's it, simple and easy. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.